One of the features we have here at Dakota Fest is our SDSU ice cream, famous really pretty much across the state and even somewhat across the nation as one of the top ice creams in the country. So at Dakota Fest we serve that every day at noon for about an hour or so, and during that time frame we go through probably 45 to 50 gallons of ice cream, which is a lot of ice cream. But that is true SDSU ice cream. It is made at the dairy manufacturing plant on campus. A relatively updated facility, just had some additions to that to upgrade it. Lots of industry support, so it is really a state-of-the-art facility to look at not only producing ice cream but any type of dairy products, and being able to do small pilot projects for research and development of new types of dairy products, and support from the dairy industry for that. And not only is it made at SDSU, but it also actually comes from the milk that's produced at the SDSU dairy farm. So a true Jackrabbit product, even though it's dairy, it's Jackrabbit through and through.